For the next 3 AI stocks on our list, we're going to focus on Cathie Wood, as her investment management fund is on the bleeding edge of innovation. Within her flagship fund, the ARK Innovation ETF, Shopify is the single largest holding, and this company stands to benefit massively from AI adoption. Similar to Amazon, Shopify is able to use AI-powered algorithms to create curated lists and recommendations for buyers, thus increasing sales. In addition, they've also been able to roll out a suite of AI-powered tools, such as Shopify Magic. This is an AI-powered assistant for store builders that can do anything from removing image backgrounds to writing product descriptions for you. They are also working on a new AI tool called Shopify Sidekick, which is an AI chatbot assistant for Shopify sellers. With this new chatbot, you'll be able to enter prompts like "What are my best-selling products?" or even create a 10% discount code for this product, and the assistant will do everything for you. If Shopify is able to increase their success rate for individual sellers through these AI tools, they can keep more people subscribed to their monthly subscription plans and generate more revenue.